Just you want to be on TV? We'll get ready. Because the press will
Chill.
this.
Chill.
Be lucky if Tucci's mother doesn't
Chill.
file a lawsuit.
Chill. Chill. Oh, God. I'm so sorry. Steve is just...
If we handle this right, maybe we can get caught.
Came out of nowhere.
I'm the last person she wants to see.
Chill.
Not a killer.
Now is a chance to make it right.
Chill. Oh, God. I'm so sorry. Yes. Chill. Oh, thank you. No, I don't know what's making me sneeze like this. I'm so sorry.
So that's this one.
Chill.
Chill.
Chill. Oh, thank you.
Just control the phone.
Chill. Oh, sorry. Chill. Why do I apologize? I don't know. Because it's an interruption. Sneeze is a...
You see all these people over here?
Chill.
Potential witnesses.
Witnesses more.
We interview them.
Chill. 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 Oh, sorry. Chill. Oh.
Are you short, Tony?
I just sprayed a little on my cleavage. Yeah, I had to announce it too. Because I'm embarrassed. Chill.
I said some very harsh things about yourself.
Chill.
There's nothing more than this. Can you?
Chill. Better answer that. Yeah, sorry.
I made a grave for you. You please. I just want to bear
Chill. Chill. Oh.
See for yourself.
Sorry, I got to blow my nose.
What? You don't get in there. I'll finish playing
Chill.
this.
Chill. Chill. Oh.
That dog? Where's it coming from?
next door. We're staying in the yard day and night. I'm getting those hugs that I don't
That's it. Bless us.